All right. Hi everyone. Welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. I am so excited today. This is a thrifted item. It's a wonderful addition, guys, to my cozy corner. Isn't this absolutely lovely? I thrifted this item at the Goodwill, and this only cost me, I have the tag right here, $2.99. I am loving it. So I'm gonna go ahead, and I figured I would put 3 levels of 3 different kinds of teas for a tea party. So first I want to tell you that this video is a part of a collaboration called the Summer Vibes Tiered collaboration. The host of this collaboration is Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden, myself, the Grace Life DIY home decor, then we have Jennifer at Home and May's Design Corner, and anybody else who wants to jump in, guys. So I actually love, let me just move this back a little bit. So this was one of the bows that I made during the bow and ribbon collaboration. I think this would look beautiful right here. So the first thing I'm gonna do is tie this. And I just saw it perfect to lay the different kinds of teas, because lately I've been having a lot of tea. What I do is steep it and make my own iced tea, but I use different kinds of teas. And let me see. I don't know what's going off to the side. All right, let's see. What I do is I either, well, we could have it over there for a tea party, but what I do is I normally steep the tea, I let it sit in the water overnight, and then I just go ahead and take it with me when I go to work out in the morning, and then I drink it. So I drink quite a bit of variety of teas, guys, but mainly I just absolutely love this. When I saw it, I just had to have it. Okay, now here we have the bowl. Doesn't that look absolutely beautiful, guys, for the tea? So the different levels of tea I'm going to place here. So right now, let's see. So I have the roasted dandelion root. I absolutely love all these teas. And let's see, so I may have to do multiples because I have plenty of tea, guys. So this one is the dandelion, the roasted dandelion root. So I'm gonna go ahead and we just wanna lay this like this, so when I have a tea party or I'm steeping my tea, they could see what kind of tea it is. Then I have here the hibiscus. Now my son loves the hibiscus. I like it too. I haven't had it in a while, so let's see. So we definitely want to get that in there. Okay, definitely want to put some hibiscus. So maybe I'll move some of these over. So this is a tier tray, guys. This is literally a tier tray. So this was perfect, unexpected, and I'm loving it, guys. I am so loving it. I love the fact that it has this wicker look to it. So I'm just gonna put, let's see, we'll do 3, I don't know, let's see. I just wanted to put a little bit more. So this way, so we have dandelion and we have hibiscus. I'll put 1 more. There you go. Okay, anything extra I'll just put back in the box. And so that's level 1. Then I bought this matcha green tea with turmeric. Okay, this tastes absolutely delicious. So I definitely want to put some of that in here. And I'm just gonna go ahead and fill this whole area here with the matcha green tea, because I love this tea. And let's see, so we're gonna layer that there. Okay. Good. So I'm loving how this is looking. There you go. That's level 2. And the rest of this will go back. Let's see what else we have. Now, I purchased the soursop tea. I like the soursop tea. So this is also really good for you. So I'm going to put that there. I like to try all kinds of teas, and I just wanted to try this one, and I was so surprised that I really do love this tea. My favorite one though is the matcha. Just try all different kinds of teas, guys. So, and now that we have so many tea parties, I'm gonna start incorporating my tier tray here. I love this piece. When I saw it, I was so happy. Okay, so these teas are gonna go back up here. And I have all kinds of teas in here, guys. Okay, so this one is done. I hope you like it, guys. Here's tier tray number 1, and I put the bow on this side. It's easy to grab. You could just go ahead and grab the envelope. Let me see if I move the bow over. No, I think we're good. Let's see. So we loosen this up a little bit and then we'll tighten it. There you go. Isn't that beautiful, guys? I am loving it. So here is tier tray number 1. And this one is specifically for tea. So I'm loving that. All right, so now we're gonna move on to the next one. This is gorgeous. Let's move on to the next one, guys. Okay, so I love this tier tray. I am loving this tier tray. I can't get enough of it. Now I do have multiple different kinds of tier trays, but we're only decorating the 2. So the first one was the tea, and now I'm just gonna use some different items here to decorate this one. So let's see, we want to put some greenery up here. And I absolutely love my teapot, so we're not going to leave that out. Okay, and let's see. I do like the succulent. So remember, it's the summer vibes. I was going to go ahead and do some fall stuff, and then I remembered it was summer vibes. So we are going to just go with that. So let's leave that like this. Then I purchased this at Dollar General, guys, and it's so beautiful, isn't it? So we are going, I just want to show the whole thing there. Let's see. So I have this gold. I purchased this at Dollar General as well. I think I'm going to put the gold bird right there. We definitely want some greenery. You can never have too much greenery. So I'm going to put this here. And I think I'm going to do 2 succulents up here. Doesn't that look beautiful, guys? I like that. I think I'm also going to do my cross because I don't want to leave that behind. But first I'm going to move that back so that I can put this beautiful bow that I made with some greenery and some and burlap and some twine. I think that looks really pretty. And I was going to use this bird, but I don't see any room for it. Let's see. Let's see. Go like this. We already have a bird down there. And then let's see. If we move the succulents, I always move stuff around, guys, until I like the placement or I'm happy with the placement. We're going to go ahead and put that beautiful bird right there, and then we'll put the succulents back. So 1 is good, and I'll place the succulent over here. There you go. Look at that. Doesn't that look absolutely amazing? I hope you guys can see all of it. I think it looks so pretty. This is a great summer vibe tier tray. So I can't wait for us to decorate our cozy corner. So I hope that you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoy creating it for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you. Amen.